Today I'm going to talk about the new Matrix tire balancer. Does it really work? Let's find out. This tire balancer looks something very simple. In the back you have a 12 volts connection that you cannot connect to 24 volts or 7.4 because it won't work properly. Also on the back you have the QR code to check the manual and all steps to how to use this machine. Here on the top you have the start button. You have a screen that says the logo, and when you press the button it will show you starting, running, and in the end, when it's finished the process, it will show you how many grams you need to add on your tire if you need to add, or balanced if your tire is perfect. That's it. You have also two adapters. At the moment I have the one for 110 touring car. You have another adapter that is for 1.8 on roads. I know in the future they are going to make also another machine that is for 1.8 off-roads. But the truth is that here inside is something very complex. I actually asked Matrix if they could tell me what is inside. Well, they did. They sent me a voice message telling what is inside and how it works. It's better if I show you.
Let's say for you to know, there is a stepper motor. Stepper motor is, let's say, specific kind of motor that does not need any encoder to know the position and the speed. Is all inside and is the same that they use for the CNC machine. The electric motor is then mounted on a load cell. Is a, let's say, high gauge level load cell they use in the pharmaceutical factory, and then all of this is connected to electronic board that we design in the factory.
So now using normal words. Basically this machine checks the speed, the position and the weight of your tire, and in the end it calculates everything and tells you the exact point and how much weight you need to add in your tire to make it completely balanced. It looks perfect, right? Let's check it out. As you listen, you could listen that it made like a last turn. It's basically the machine telling me where I need to use my weight. So basically it's telling me I need to add 0.3 gram here. So here you have the stripe. As you can see, this stripe is basically showing you where you need to add. So basically it's always here lower on your tire. So I'm gonna use the putty from Woody, that is pretty good. I just need to add 0.3, which is almost nothing. Let's do it. And now I just need to run again. If it's perfect, the machine will tell me balance it. So it means my tire is already balanced. So basically when it says 0.30, or under 0.30, my tire is already perfect. So actually when it's under 0.30 you don't need to make nothing more because your tire is already perfectly balanced. More than 0.30 I suggest you to use putty. Let's try it out. So I added a little bit and it was 0.30. Now it's still showing me 0.25. I will add just a little bit more, but as I said before, the tire was already perfect balanced, but I want to arrive on the perfection. Let's try it out. I don't know if you can see, but check, I don't know, this is so small, but the machine will be able to detect it. It shows me exactly the same point as before, but just I need to add a little bit more. This is crazy. Balance it. You see how much I added to it. It's crazy how these sensors can detect it such a small thing. It's really crazy. I want to show you one funny thing. This tire is already balanced, so the screen is showing me it's completely balanced, so it's perfectly. But check how accurate are these sensors. Check this out. I will turn it on and then I will barely touch it a little bit, just for you to check how accurate are these sensors. Check this out. So on the screen is showing me I need to add 1.37 grams, which is like maybe half of the weight of the tire, which is crazy. So you can actually see how accurate are the sensors on this machine. It's completely crazy. At this point of the video, you are asking yourself if it's point to buy this machine. Well, the answer is simple. If you are that kind of person that is looking to improve always, to have everything perfect, this is for sure a must-have. Because you know that tires that you put on your tire sander, you switch on, and it looks like it's going to destroy the world. It's shaking everything, your table, you know that tire, right? So imagine that tire working on your car and stressing all suspension, all bearings during the 5 minutes, everything. It won't work properly. As you see on our real cars, the bigger ones, all tires are balanced. And we don't drive super fast. I mean, we don't drive 400 or 300 km/h. I mean, we're supposed not. But we don't. Try one day just to remove that weight and go on highway with it. You will see your steering and everything is shaking. Well, imagine now on our smaller cars where these tires, they arrive to some speed, some rotation that is completely crazy. And everything is vibrating, so it won't work properly. So I think this machine, if you are looking for perfection and being better, small details, this is for sure a must-have. I hope you enjoy, guys. See you next time. Ciao.